Hello and welcome to a geodetic tutorial. My name is Janine Hilden, I'm an application engineer at Math2Market, and in the following video I will explain to you the object overlap and geodict. Therefore, we just generate a little structure with GrainGeo. Up here, select Model, GrainGeo. Of course, you can also use any other structure generator from this list to follow this video. Now in the Module section, simply click Generate. If generating structures with the geodetic structure generators, they consist of analytical objects. These objects can overlap, and there are several possibilities how to handle this overlap in geodict. The material ID for this overlap can be a new ID or one of the IDs from the overlapping objects. If we open GATGeo by choosing Model from the menu bar and then GATGeo, we can, for example, select Edit Domain. Here, we can define the overlap rules. In the default GrainGeo structure, the overlap between objects with ID 1 is 1, and the overlap between objects of material ID 2 is 2. If no rule is given for the overlap between two IDs, the overlap material defined above is applied to the overlap. In our structure, this is the case if the overlapping objects have different material IDs. If we add another overlap rule, we could define that ID1 overlapping with ID2 should be 1. If we now click Run, we have only 3 materials left in our structure. Change to the 2D view and observe how grains of material ID1 now always are complete, partly embedded in ID2 grains. Another possibility is to resolve the overlap, meaning that the overlap gets both IDs to equal parts. Click Edit again and check the Resolve Overlap checkbox. The overlap rules disappear. Click OK and Run. Here we can see that the border between two objects with different IDs lays in the middle of the previous overlap. These overlap possibilities are also available in every structure generator and can be set as desired before generating the objects. But using GATGeo, they can be changed at any time after the generation. Of course, the overlap can also be removed while or after generating the structure. Therefore, select Algorithms from the pull-down menu. Choose Remove Object Overlap and click Run. Now the overlap is removed and the objects only touch. All these possibilities can of course already be set while generating the grain structure. Just open the GrainGeo options again. Down here we can find the Remove Overlap options, and in the Object Overlap tab we can define the overlap rules or check Resolve Overlap. This is the end of this video tutorial explaining the concept of overlap in geodict. If you found this tutorial helpful, please check out our Math2Market channel for more geodict videos. Goodbye!